This example is going to be a graph that has a hole. It is not a line with a hole though, so it'll still look like a rational function. So as always, we're going to start these out by factoring. The bottom factors to x plus 3, x plus 5, and notice that the top is just x plus 3, so something is going to cancel here. The x plus 3's cancel, which means there is going to be a hole at x equals -3. So again, I get that by setting x plus 3 equal to 0. The trick is to change the sign. And now this is going to be the really important part. You have to write what is left over. There is nothing on top left over. So let's put a 1 over x plus 5. This here is the simplified version. I am going to finish this entire problem by looking at the simplified version only. So to find the y value of the hole, I am going to take x equals -3 and I'm going to plug it into the simplified version. So -3 plus 5 is 2. So 1/2 is the y value of the hole. So it was -3 and then 1/2. Okay, now look at the simplified version and figure out the rest of this stuff from that. Okay, so the vertical asymptote is going to be at -5. And we have a horizontal asymptote, and that is going to be at 0. Now, if you're like, why is it 0? I like to call this one a bobo. If you look here, the degree is bigger on the bottom. When the degree is bigger on the bottom, it's an automatic y equals 0 for the horizontal asymptote. Now, for the x-intercept, you set the top equal to 0, but 1 doesn't equal 0. This signifies that there will not be an x-intercept, and then the y-intercept is still the ratio of the constant. So 1 over 5 is, in fact, the y-intercept. So let's graph everything we know. We know that we have at -5 a vertical asymptote. We know that at 0, we have a horizontal asymptote. We know that there is a hole at -3, 1/2. -3, 1/2 is here. We also know 0, 1/5 is the y-intercept. Now, I don't know where the rest of the graph is over here, so I will find one more point. Let's do f of -6. Now, guys, you got to plug into the simplified version for this. So -6 plus 5 on the bottom is -1. So -6, -1 is a point, which means the rest of this graph is down here, and I'm done.